And welcome back everybody for another Lego City update. We're going to be showing you our raised city design and an overpass and road update. And then our big reveal is going to be our train station. So let's take a look. Okay, so we start with our Lego City entrance. As you can see, we've got a 2-lane simple road, and as you'll notice, our because our road is bricks laid on its side, that raises everything. So what we've done is designed the buildings to be raised up, and we just bought a box of mixed color bricks to lay underneath our modular buildings, our tiles, our base plates, and then it shows, oh, who do we have here? That is a shot of Wesley, and he is performing a questionable sale of Legos in the town square. There's Mikey, our resident redneck. Okay, so there's our road, our overpass, and then we finally come up with a design for our overpass guardrail. It's just 1x30 bricks with tiles laid on top. And we've got our motley crew under the overpass. Sometime in the future we will be buying their hideout, and they'll be hiding out underneath the overpass. Then for the big reveal is our train station. So as you can see, we've got 2 train stations that have been modified. So what you're looking at is one side to our train station. The general design and structure of the train station remains as it was out of the box. We've made a couple of modifications. You're looking at the 2 separate sides, and we created a wall, a swing away wall, so that you can get a little bit closer look and adjust minifigs, swap out cups and tools and other things that the cook may need. This was a hot dog stand, and this was the Lego store. And it looks like we made this side shakes and cakes, and that side over there has got books and newspapers and letters and things that can be purchased to mail your friends and minifigs. Okay, now we're looking at the other side. The first side that we looked at was the first train set that we purchased, and this one is the second one. And as you can see, we've got that awning that was created, and to be honest with you, that was made because of a lack of parts. I didn't have enough Lego pieces, windows, doors, and hinges, I think was the main holdup. I didn't have enough pieces to make another swing away door like that. So trying to cheat and make it look somewhat presentable, I came up with this design that resembles some of the awnings that you see in other Lego construction builds. Okay, now for the cool part, with just a pinch there to release the Lego bricks, and then a lift there, and a pinch here. This is on a hinge and allows accessibility of the minifigs inside. So now that we've exposed the inside of our train station, let's go in and take a closer look. Okay, so you can see that we're not completely done. We're missing a couple of the tiles, and we're really still trying to experiment with different things that we like. But we're gonna shoot for 1x4 tiles here, and then a gray line, and then the dots, or the illuminated gray line. There wasn't a line there before, but the little lights were there originally. We just had to adjust the spacing to accommodate the gray tiles that we had. Now later on down the road, because my wife is very, very much against this red trim, and the black is just too much of something. It's just the wrong types of color. So we may end up replacing all of the black pieces with maybe a brown or a white, something that's a little bit less bold. As we pan from right to left, you'll see that this is intended to be a train ticket / information center. One of the mods we made, and that was a toy store. We put these doors in on each side, and here's a close-up of the grill. Pizza and brats and chicken legs. Around the front, we had to modify this countertop. We had to push that out a little bit. And we pushed that entire wall with the doors. We pushed those out. One brick, and that was originally just 2 chairs, and we added the other 2. Coming over the other side. This was also two chairs, and we've made 4. And there's our shakes and cakes and bread. Little vending stand. This top glass piece, or the roof, was constructed with approximately 300 glass pieces. These are train tracks. It's 2 curved pieces for each. And we've got 4 ribs there, so it's 1 on each side and 2 in the middle. And then this is a hinged system. Shot of closing that. Touches. And then a little push. Right there, locks it in. Little decorative piece. Also allows for something to grab onto when you open it up. Push to lock it in place, and then another push to lock it in place. Really happy with the way this turned out. Well, we thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you like what you saw, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. That lets us know that you approve. And if you have any comments, questions, and concerns, please feel free to leave those in the spaces provided. And if you really like what you saw, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we'll continue doing these Lego updates of our city until we're no longer having fun. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.